Welcome to Stephanie's Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to make zucchini bread. It's a recipe that I got from my pastor's wife, Glenda, years ago. And I've always called it no-fail zucchini bread because it turns out perfect every time, at least for me. So first we start with the zucchini, and I always peel my zucchini. Some people don't, but I think it's better if you do. So we'll peel the zucchini. Okay, now that we've got our zucchini peeled, you take the largest side of the grater and you grate your zucchini. 2 cups of zucchini is what we're trying to get. And it takes a minute. If you have a food processor, you can use it, but for 2 cups, to me, it's easier just to use this and not have the cleanup. Watching when you get down to the small part so you don't cut your fingers. We've got a lot of stuff out of the garden this year, so we've done a lot of canning and cooking and using fresh vegetables. And this is one way to be able to use some of your extra, especially if your zucchini gets too big. That's perfect to use it for zucchini bread and different things that you have to shred it. Usually it takes about 2 to 3 medium zucchinis to make 2 cups. It's just according on how big they are. Okay, we'll measure now and see how this is doing. See if we've got 2 cups or if we need to do more. Yep, we have 2 cups of zucchini. So I'll take a bag, put the rest of it in a bag that I've already peeled, and put that in the refrigerator and make some more later on in the week, or maybe Sunday for Sunday dinner. So now that we have our zucchini peeled, we're going to take our large mixing bowl, get 3. Okay, we'll take our large mixing bowl, get 3 eggs, then we'll take a mixer. If you have a KitchenAid stand mixer, any kind of stand mixer, or just a regular mixer, mix it until it's foamy. Okay, then after you've mixed it till it's foamy, then you're going to take 2 cups of sugar, a cup of oil, whatever oil of your choice. You can use butter. And a teaspoon of vanilla. And a capful is pretty much a teaspoon, so that's one way to save on dishes. And then mix it, all your ingredients together. Sugar, oil, vanilla, and eggs. Mix it real good. Then you'll take 3 cups of flour. And it's all-purpose flour. Okay, there's 2. Then we need 1 more. Okay, and there's 3. Okay, now we'll take our 2 cups of zucchini. Let's mix this up a little better first. That way it'll be a little easier. Like I said, Glenda gave me this recipe years ago, and I've always loved this recipe because I've never had it turn out bad. It's always been perfect every time. And I can't say that about all recipes I have. Okay, mix our zucchini. Okay, and then we'll put our spices. 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. Okay, mix all that together. Okay, then a cup of walnuts. You can use a 1/2 cup to a cup, but I like a cup because we all like them in this family. I have a couple that doesn't like them at all, so I have to make one batch of zucchini bread. I have to make it without any kind of nuts. Okay, make sure it's mixed up good. Then, when we have it all mixed up, we'll get our pans. I have parchment paper on them, and a secret to the parchment paper staying is wet it just a little bit in the bottom. Then you'll divide this between the 2. Trying to get the same amount in each one. I have my stove preheated at 350. I like this big glass bowl, but it is heavy. Okay, it looks like I have a little bit more in this one than I do the other one, so we will try to put some over here. Okay. Then we'll put these in a preheated 350-degree oven. For 45 to 55 minutes. Check it. I always check mine about 40 minutes just to make sure. And then take it out and do the toothpick test. So I will see you back here in 45 minutes. Okay, the timers went off on the oven, so we'll check on our zucchini bread. And I think it's done. Just a second. Bring the second one out. And you can take a toothpick, put it in the center. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's done, which that one does. Let me check that again. Okay, they're both done. So now we'll let them cool just a few minutes. Okay, we've let them cool for a few minutes. So now we're going to take them out and check and see what they look like. Looks like they come out pretty easy. Using parchment paper, it really helps. Okay, take this. And this one. Still a little warm. And that is our zucchini bread. If you're enjoying these videos, please hit like and subscribe, and we will see you again next week. Thanks, bye. Ta-da, there they are. Ain't they pretty? That's some pretty zucchini bread.